Hello guys. So now I'm in bed with. Hello. What's your name? Okay, what do you want to say to them?
Welcome to Horizon Podcast, ASMR. Hello, Marcus. So, how's your night? How's your morning?
Mine has
midnight.
been very lovely, and it's already 3 a.m. here, so I think I'm gonna have to catch up on some sleep pretty soon. What about you?
Wow, your voice is deep, bro.
Okay, now we're gonna move on to the next bed. The next bed we're gonna go to is
Orford.
Stop. Okay, introduce yourself to them.
Orford. Ako si Linda.
Glinda.
Oh.
Glinda Pineda. Ladies and gentlemen, Horizon has special announcement. This late coming December, we will finally.
Okay, I will say the announcement. The announcement is... It's a prank!
Episode.
Nanonood si Winston ng K-drama. Anong episode ka na?
Nakasimula ka pa lang pero each episode 1 hour pero
Wow.
ngayon episode 5 na ako. Ang bilis ko, puyat.
Grabe naman.
Ikaw ano ginagawa mo?
Wala.
Nanonood ka lang sa ibang ano.
Nag-ano lang ako sa chat. Nag-chat lang ako.
Oh, parang dami
Sorry.
mong mga hugot kanina. Nabasa ko. Grabe.
Sorry guys, sabi ko matutulog na ako pero gising pa ako. Nanonood
You
kasi
do
ako
not
palabas.
liar.
Si Winston, di yan
Nanonood
tulog.
kasi ako, sorry.
Never. Pag sinabi niya yung tulog siya, aalis lang siya.
Oh.
Ay, naalala mo yung sabi niya, kakagising niya lang.
Meron kaming TMI. Okay, wait. Doon na sa next VM.
Wala pala, matutulog na kami.
Okay,
Matulog na kami.
wala.
Mag-rap
Inantok
namin,
na.
hindi na
Sige.
Marcus.
Rayster. Kuya Rayster pa. Hanip, tinatamad na ako mag-type. Me too. Kaya hindi na nga ako nagta-type dito, di ba? Ay, wow, konyo. They don't mahal you like I mahal you. They don't mahal you like I mahal you.
Hoy, Winston na. Tigil na yung K-drama.
Ulat, ada pada gelas ini pada gelas mula. Ulat, ada pada gelas lupa.